Hello everyone, welcome to Mirza Laboratory. So today our topic is FinGPT. So FinGPT is one of the open source financial large language models, and they believe that they can perform almost similar to Bloomberg GPT in less cost and training time. Let's have a look at it. So FinGPT took only $17 and it took $2.67 million. So there is a huge difference between Bloomberg GPT and FinGPT. So you can always have a look at it at this share on GitHub, and I will be sharing the link in my video too. So let's generate inferences. Here is its Hugging Face, where they have shared their data and many other things. Here is their open source data. mm, in which they have trained their model on. And here's forecaster. Let's try it. Okay, submit. It's gonna take almost 30 seconds for generating the text. Hmm, let's wait. Okay, finally it have generated the text. So headlines happen stock closes at all-time high. It's added $1 trillion in market value this year. And summary and headlines. Okay, that's fine. Let's have a look at it in friends. We get this file from here. This is the file we are going to run on our collab. But if you are running this file, you will be required to buy Collab Pro for $10, or you should have some high RAM device. Okay, let's generate it. First one is simple, so we don't need to generate it. It's only for simple task, that is sentiment analysis. As we have tried putting uh, this one from their data set, what's the sentiment of this news, and let's go to sentiment one. It's the sentiment model, and here is data set. So we can find many sentiment data from here and try this too. Okay, so let's move to multi-model. It's in France with multitask. It's their multi-model, and downloading it can take some time. Okay, there have two parts. Downloading. As it is getting downloading, let's get and check their open source data. Okay, it is there. Here there is train and test data set. It is not available at test data, so it's a data set that they have trained on, such as questions, their instructions, such as system message as we give in OpenAI API, and it's their output. We'll also check one of this. on our multi-inference model. Let's see what it gives. Okay, I think it's done. It's almost done. Yeah, it's done. Okay, now it's generating the following. First one is financial sentiment analysis. So it is demo input and it's their instruction of sentiment analysis. Second one is relation extraction, suggests what's the relation between words, and third one is headline classification, and fourth one is NER, named entity recognition. Okay, let's see what's the output. Okay, so sentiment analysis, it says positive, and them should be positive, it is right, and it have extracted the relation between words and Steve Jobs and Apple. Okay, headline analysis. Does the news headline talk about price going up? Please choose an answer from yes or no. Okay, it's no. Gold trades in red and illiterate. Ice near term range at rupees. Mm, okay, that's right. And yeah, that's good too. But let's check it on their test data. Okay, let's check on financial term. This is what it's supposed to do. It's meant for finance. So let's copy this input and put it here. The first one we are just replacing it. Okay, and it's demo instructions. Okay, demo instructions. Now let's see what it can do. Okay, let's generate it. As basically the main task it should perform is answering financial questions as NER and relation extraction and headline classification and sentiment analysis. All this ChatGPT can do too. So it's of new use, but if it can play with numbers, it's really great. Let's test it. I've not changed it from here, and it's only the name what is showing there. It's only print name, so no need to change. We'll just check output. Okay, it's taking time. Maybe it's long enough. That's why. Okay. So now let's check which type of data that contain. It have finance value that there are multiple questions on which based it have to answer. Okay, so it have generated it. Just ignore sentiment analysis. The answer is 60. It should not be 60. It should be 60.94. A minor difference. But that's okay. Let's try another example. Maybe it can work better on that. Okay, let's try second one, or let's try one from trained data. It will perform better on it as it is right that they have trained on. Okay, let's try. And okay, this time let's change it to question and answers, just financial questions and answers. Financial QA. Okay, input. Okay, now demo instructions. Now let's see if it can work better with it. Okay, we have taken it from the trained data of what model is being trained. So it should give us accurate output. Okay, we are waiting. It should be 20 points something. Let's write it down here. Okay, it's loading. Until it's loading, let's have a look what type of data they have. Others, you can always check it. I will share the link in my video. Okay, here's the NER classification data. It also have test and trend data. It's very good at NER, but that's not our main target. I think it should answer financial question answers with numeric values. Okay, so it's 200 and there's a huge difference. Okay, I think string issues. Okay, let's try it with some NER on test data. Okay, let's try it. If it's not working on financial data, that's really is not that much helpful. Okay, let's name it NER. Name it data. Oh no. Okay, let's try this. How it is working at it. Okay, what's wrong? I forgot the comma. Okay, forgot the comma. I think so. Okay, here it is. Now let's rerun it. Okay, it's still giving 200 for that. I think it's not able to play with numbers. Okay, here's steps, jobs, and it's still generating. Okay, something went wrong, I think. Or NER is not here. Let's run it first. Now try it. Okay, let's find another example of non-financial, non-number text. Okay, uh, and we can try on this too. At last, let's it generated. Okay, okay, it's 200 again, and there's NER. So answer organization. Let's check. Okay, so it should be location, but okay, that's right. It should be organization, and it is organization here too. Okay, let's try another example of inference generation. Okay, let's go back, back. Okay, let's try this data set. Here is our input. Replacing it with first one. It's 8 questions, answers to, and its instruction. Okay, now let's measure with their answer. Okay, so our answer is cost instead of all of this, and let's see where is cost. Mm, it's not that much accurate, but as it took only so much less, and it is great at headline classification, NER, and but not at generating text, accurate text. Means it is really well at one word answers such as name, entity, and etc. And that's it. Okay, let's end it. Have a good day.